Hi guys, so in today's video we're actually going to be using or reviewing the Aunt Jackie's Curlboss coconut curling jelly. It's the coconut recipe Curlboss, and I'm just showing you guys here how my hair looks fresh out the shower with no products in, so you guys can know what to expect if you have hair like mine. So the next thing I'm going to do is start separating my hair into smaller section, and I really like to work in smaller section because I get more definition and my hair lasts a lot longer. So I'm going to part my hair in small section, starting from the back crown area of my head, and I'm going to work my way to the front. The only thing I'm doing is applying the product into my hair, working it into my hair, then I'm using my brush to define my curls, and that's it. This is going to be a one product wash and go, so I didn't use any leave-in, I didn't use anything. Only thing I did before this was co-wash my hair. That's the same thing I'm doing over and over again. I'm parting my hair into small sections, then applying the product, and then I'm going to define my hair with the brush that I have. I actually really like this brush. I've had this brush for a long time and I don't even remember what the name of it is. But the Aunt Jackie's coconut recipe gel is very lightweight. It's not my first time using it. I've used it once before. It's very lightweight. It's kind of remind me of flaxseed gel, but it's a lot lighter. It's very moisturizing to the hair, and it doesn't have a very hard gel cast when you use this product on your hair, and it's also very moisturizing. That's why I absolutely love this gel. Because this process is kind of redundant. And then when I get to the front portion of my hair, I'm going to talk about what I did a little bit more. As you can see, hubby and my newborn son Makai made an appearance. If you're a busy mom like me, wash and goes will come in handy, and this wash and go only took me about 15 to 20 minutes, which is really good for me because I am a mom now, and having a baby, especially a newborn, is very demanding. Now that I got to the front portion of my hair, you guys can see what I'm doing a lot better. And as you guys can see, the front portion of my hair is a mixture between 4A and 4B here. So the front portions, the side portion, and the back portions of my hair is a mix between 4A and 4B, and this gel did a good job at defining my curls. But in the middle portion, which is definitely a more 4C curl pattern, this gel didn't do as well of a job as defining my curls. I've seen my curls way more defined than this, but it did its job. When I use like a eco styler gel, my hair is way more defined and it lasts a lot longer. This gel is also very lightweight and moisturizing, and that's one of the reasons that I really like it for a one product wash and go, because I don't have to use a leave-in or any of that. Next, I'm gonna be doing the sides and the back of my hair because I have a tapered cut, which I'm in love with, thanks to hubby for cutting my hair. I'm just defining my sides by using a comb and twisting it, and I can also use a sponge hairbrush, but I chose the long route. This process is kind of tedious also, but I like to do my hair like this because it lasts a lot longer. So this is how my hair looks wet with the Aunt Jackie's coconut recipe curling gel, and this is how my hair looked completely dry with it. It gave me a good definition. It gave me moisture or moisturization, so it's not a very drying gel. And this would also be a great gel to do twist and curls, braid outs, flat twists. It would be a very great gel also for those type of styles if you have 4C here and you're looking for a good moisturizing gel styler. If you're more of the 4C type of hair texture and you'd want more definition, I don't think this gel is going to be for you. But if you have a more looser pattern like 3B, 3C, or 4A, and you don't care for a lot of definition, then this gel will definitely be for you. So that's my review on the Aunt Jackie's coconut recipe Curlboss curling gel, and I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.